Hello and welcome to our September 2019 financial market update publication for the Inner Circle. This is James Painter from Dynamic Forex Solutions, and I look forward to sharing with you our updated outlook on the markets we covered last month. Which are the dollar index, the euro versus the dollar, gold versus the dollar, and Bitcoin versus the dollar. And then, of course, for those of you who have Rand exposures, we also will be giving an update on the Rand versus the dollar, euro, and pound. Just before we get stuck in, an important disclaimer. This is provided for educational and information purposes only and should not be taken as advice. No past performances are guarantee of future performance. Trading in financial markets involves risk. Please never risk more than you're willing to lose. And with that behind us, let's jump right in. Firstly, we'll look at the dollar index, which measured against a basket of currencies. As you can see here, the market has made a slightly higher high, 99.37 past month, and possibly topped out there, or is one last thrust away from doing so in the 99.20 to 102.38 area. And after that, we expect it to fall sharply, a break below 95.84.30, confirming a sharp move down, initial target in the 80 to 72 area, and ultimately down to the 53.50 sort of area. If we look at the euro, pretty much a mirror image again. We've had a slightly lower low, the 109.26 the past month, and it has possibly bottomed out there, or is close to doing so in the 110.40 to 105 area. And after that, we expect it to rise strongly with a break above 114.12, confirming a move over the next couple of years up to the 139 to 152 area, and ultimately up to sort of 180, 150 area. Moving on to gold, we had a slightly higher high. Gold made of 155.710 the past month, and since then it's dropped quite sharply, and is very likely topped out at that level, or is very close to doing so. A break below 143.914 would be the initial level we'll be looking for to confirm that a top is in place. And then the next level would be the 134.675 area, which needs to be broken to confirm that we're heading down to this 722 to 660 area. So quite a bearish outlook for gold. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has consolidated further, and while we still see a possibility of some retracement down to the 7432 level, overall the market's still expected to rise strongly over the coming months, with the target still being up at that 43,000 to 66,000 level. And after that, we're expecting the market to collapse dramatically over the next couple of years, which should ultimately take it down to the 152.40 area. Only a break below 6178 would delay that. 3122 invalidate that outlook. Moving on to the dollar versus the rand. Since last month, we've had a slightly lower high being made at 1549.79. The market has dropped pretty sharply since then. And while this level holds at the top here, we still have a bias for the market to drop quite a lot further. But we need a break below 1381.23 to confirm that, with a move down the 1285 to 1230 level. The alternate count is if we do break above that 1549.79, we could see the market rise up to 1742 sort of level before the market then tops out and we see a move down. And then the Euro Rand, also we've had a high there of 1731.73. The market has fallen after making that high, kept below that. As long as we don't break above that, we should be heading lower still, with a break below 1542.72, confirming a move down to 1284.11 area. A break above 1731.73 would jeopardize that outlook, and above 1811.93 would invalidate it, with the market then expected to push up to the 1883 to 1953 level before topping out. Moving on to the pound rand, market has range traded below this 1927.43 area, and as long as that isn't broken above, we're expecting a move down, confirmed by a break below 1715.72, which should then take the market down to 1418 to 1255 area before the large degree uptrend resumes. A break above 1927.43 would delay that outlook, and above 1285 would invalidate it. So there you have our updated financial market outlook for September 2019. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us by email at info@dynamicforexllc.com or visit us at dynamicforexsolutions.com. Also, please feel free to post comments on the Inner Circle WhatsApp group or the Inner Circle Facebook page. And until next month, thank you again, and we wish you every success in your investment and trading decisions.